It still smells quite smoky down here from fire. We've got a lot of scrap here still that they'll have to be taking away. Sounds like somebody knows me. Windows there, look, they're not quite knocked out. But it's very, very windy. Very windy. So we'll have a wander out on the side and see how things are there. So they just packed up. I think actually it looks like they've about finished for the day. I've just come outside and just trying to look at this digger working here. They've shifted a hell of a lot. My word, it's unbelievable. It doesn't take them long to do it. Yeah, just it again now, just tracking up there, look, just to pull all this out here. I dare say some of it's going to have to be done by hand on that end. So they're just getting all timber and that out to take it to the tip, look. So, yeah. Good dust blowing though, crikey. Unbelievable. It's really, really windy today. My God, it's just about gale force. So, yeah. Another couple of weeks it'll be all ready for, I don't know what they're going to do, build on it or what. Yeah. Anyway, we're going to leave them in peace. Just a quick update there. So if you like this and you'd like to subscribe, press the subscribe button. It's doing alright now, the channel. It's got 100 subscribers, so we're doing alright. Quite happy with it. So we'll see you soon. So I'm signing off for now, so thanks very much for watching and listening. See you then, bye. Hiya, and welcome back again. I thought while I was doing the new Hacketts, I thought I'd come down to St Chadds and see what's going off there. So I'd just make the video a little bit bigger. Just having a wander down now. I've just driven past it and it's all down. They just, well, I suppose they're getting ready to take stuff away. But it's a huge site now. It really is big. They've took that big machine away, that big high reach thing, and they're just on these smaller ones now. There's piles of stuff all over still. But they'll get on with that, I suppose, soon. But, yeah. Some 5-foot wood burner there. I don't know if you can remember what it was like before. If you go back to my other ones, you know, my other videos when they were first started on it, you just see how much they've done, and in a fairly short space of time. Yeah, it's got that big machine on there now. So it's absolutely unbelievably windy today, though. It really is. Got a view down there at Blackpool Tower, look. There we go. Just going around there to the machine and everything. Yeah. just have a wander down this way. It's going to be a big building block, this, crikey. Well, I don't think they'll get this up in a couple of weeks. I certainly don't think it'll be ready for the season. Little lane down there, look, gated off. Yeah. There's loads of little lanes and everything round here, round Blackpool. It's, yeah. Yeah, some silhouette shots of them. Yeah, just come down on this corner down here. If you remember, this is where they were stacking up wood up other week when I come. I've not had a chance to get down because I've been away. Of course, when I come back, it were down. So there's some bricks about, crikey. Yeah. Just walked at front of it now. Been an high tide today as well, and quite a bit of swell on. So with this wind, yeah. Couple of trams going past, look. There's that pretty little thing on just there, look. Oh, just setting up, look. There you go. Back onto what we come for. Can't see right, look, because they put these units in front just to shield things off a bit. It's supposed to help stop dust as well. But, the stop was nosy buggers. Yeah. Looks like they're going to be putting some fencing panels up. They're just getting them ready painted and that. Hey. Hey, you can get a scale now at the size of it. It's huge. It really is. Working with that grab again on this machine, look. Some pile of crap there. Bloody hell, some wood in it. Jesus Christ. Oh, I don't think I'm picking that out. Wowee. He's got a job for life there, knocking bricks out, knocking cement up at bricks. Bloody hell, great pile to go at. All that timber there. Wowee. Yeah, just another shot there. I think I've seen enough today, and I'll definitely call it a day now, so we'll see you on the next instalment. So I'm signing off now, and we'll see you again. Cheerio.